What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about the 10 stocks that have the best potential for this decade. These are stocks you want to own for long term, and no one really knows how far they could take. The first one with the best potential, I'm going to have to put Bitcoin, simply because everyone's starting to invest in Bitcoin. Everyone's also they realizing that the dollar loses value due to inflation, and there will only be 21 million Bitcoin forever. And there's a lot of big corporations that are invested. Check that out yourself. Also, there's only been this much Bitcoin mined, about 18.5 million out of the 21. For second, I'm gonna have to put Amazon. Now, Amazon, they just keep expanding. They just keep buying other different companies. They own Twitch. Twitch itself is a huge company, and the gaming potential is also huge. They have Whole Foods, Audible, a lot more. For third, we have Alphabet. And now this one, I like it. They own Google, where they have Google Search, YouTube, apps, maps, ads. And also another one I really like is Nest. So are great products. For the fourth one, we have Tesla. Now Tesla is ahead of the game. Joe Biden is a good thing for Tesla, since they're going to be in charge of the House and the Senate, and they have the presidency. They should be able to pass the Green New Deal. That should help Tesla and many other companies. Maybe not the economy or whatever you want to say, but should help certain companies. Now for which one is this? For the fifth one, I have Airbnb. And I've noticed this myself. My sister, when she went to Florida a couple months ago, she didn't stay in a hotel, she stayed in an Airbnb. Also, my friends, when they went to Colorado, they don't want to go to a hotel, they rather stay in a house. And because of COVID right now, it will be affected, but long term, this decade, Airbnb has a huge potential. I see it sort of like Uber, what they did to the taxi. I see Airbnb like that, but for hotels and motels. Now, NIO. Yes, NIO's behind Tesla, but their potential, no one really knows how far they could take it. They have over 1 billion people there, right? And that's very good for NIO. They also want to be emission free very soon. I think they're going to expand first in Europe, or they should. And they also have plans of going to Europe this year. So the potential for NIO is great for this decade. Also, with Joe Biden, it should help Chinese stock. And next we have Baba. Now this is like Amazon's little brother, some people could say, but this is the Amazon of China, and people from different countries are buying from there a lot. And like I just said, Joe Biden should help this stock. And Alibaba has AliExpress, and right now is, I would say, severely undervalued. If it wasn't for the bad news, they would be easily 350 now. So even on the short term, I see great potential. Oh, and just look at this. It says the 49 analysts offering 12 months price forecast for Alibaba. See this numbers? With Joe Biden, their potential is huge for this company. In the short term, I think that it has the best potential. Short term. So now Apple. Everyone loves Apple, and the Apple brand itself could literally sell anything. If they were to sell shoes, anything, they could literally sell anything. So the Apple brand has great potential, and they could expand to many other things if they wanted to. They could start selling TVs, people would buy them. And also, I believe they want to get involved in the electric vehicle business. That would be massive for them, since people would buy anything that's Apple. Now for ninth, I have Facebook. I know right now, overall, they like to get themselves into trouble, but what people don't realize is the Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, I didn't know this, but now you could ship through it, and they charge a 5% commission fee for the gross profit of the item you sell, and that's huge. Now eBay, they charge about 10%, and Facebook charges 5%. And I've also heard from eBay sellers that they're selling faster on Facebook than they are on eBay. So hey, people might not see this coming, but you heard it here first. Now last but not least, I have Walmart, because Walmart is here to stay. They're sort of like trailing Amazon, and they're not going to reinvent the wheel, but they're not staying behind. They're sort of keeping up. And sometimes people need something this instant, and they could just go to Walmart and get it. They also have the subscription service and the pickup service where you choose part. They bring you the stuff for the food or anything you want. So Walmart, I have the 10. And I believe if you were to go to jail and you invest in this 10 stocks and you get out in 2020, no, sorry, 2030, should be a very wealthy man or woman. So these are my top 10 stocks for the decade.